Are we on the brink of the most powerful sub-250G drone ever created? The answer might just be yes. Today, we explore the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a rumored powerhouse expected to redefine what's possible in ultralight drone technology. Whether you're a hobbyist exploring weekend landscapes, a travel vlogger in need of mobility, or a professional seeking reliable backup gear, this drone could reshape your expectations. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything: specs, rumored features, expected pricing, and why this drone might dominate the skies for years to come. Let's jump in. A legacy of lightweight innovation. DJI's Mini series has built a reputation for squeezing flagship capabilities into aircrafts that are small enough to fit in your hand and light enough to bypass most aviation restrictions. The Mini 2 proved portability didn't mean compromise. The Mini 3 Pro pushed creative possibilities further with its rotating gimbal and cinematic shooting options. Then came the Mini 4 Pro, which introduced full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. In a body still under 250 grams down, DJI appears poised to raise the bar once again. Based on industry leaks and credible insider reports, the Mini 5 Pro won't just be a gentle step forward, it may be a true leap in compact aerial videography. Camera enhancements. A cinematic eye in the sky. At the heart of any drone is its camera, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch CMOS, or at least a drastically improved 1.3 stacked sensor. Why does this matter? Larger sensors deliver better low-light performance, sharper dynamic range, and more cinematic depth. If true, this could mark the first time a drone under 250 grams offers performance comparable to DJI's Zuma Air series. But the upgrades don't stop there. Insiders speculate the Mini 5 Pro will offer 4K resolution at 60 EFP's 10-bit D-Log M color, profile support, wider aperture lens, potentially f1.7 improved image stabilization, AI-assisted scene detection, and auto-tracking. With this combo, creators will enjoy vibrant color grading, professional post-production flexibility, and highly stable footage even in more aggressive flight conditions. Flight time and battery evolution. Flight time has long been the Achilles heel of ultralight drones. The Mini 3 Pro managed around 34 minutes under ideal conditions, and the Mini 4 Pro pushed that boundary slightly further. For the Mini 5 Pro, sources suggest DJI is leveraging smarter battery technology, combined with real-time power optimization algorithms driven by onboard AI. The result: potential flight durations exceeding 40 minutes, possibly even touching 45 with optional extended batteries. Key improvements may include more power-efficient motors, redesigned propellers for quieter, smoother lift, real-time energy distribution based on wind resistance and flight behavior, quick charging tech via a smart charging hub. This kind of battery optimization ensures longer missions without compromising weight, which is essential for creators on the go. Obstacle avoidance. Smarter, not just safer. One of the biggest game changers in the Mini 4 Pro was full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. If DJI wants to improve upon that with the Mini 5 Pro, it'll need to do more than just add sensors. It'll need to make the system more intelligent. That's where AI enters the scene. Leaked patents and firmware hints suggest the Mini 5 Pro may come equipped with real-time predictive object tracking, smarter collision avoidance in complex environments, terrain-aware landings, enhanced auto-return algorithms using machine learning, gesture-based tracking, and follow-me functions. With this level of autonomy, pilots will find it easier to focus on composition and creativity while letting the drone safely navigate its path even in challenging urban or forest environments. Build and design durable, sleek, and ultra-portable. Despite all these expected enhancements, DJI is still expected to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the critical 250 grams weight class. Why? Because that limit exempts the drone from strict FAA and global drone registration requirements in many regions. To achieve that, DJI may utilize new magnesium alloy composites, lighter internal frame structures, aerodynamic refinements for improved wind resistance. Sensitizing-wise, expect a foldable body, similar to the Mini 4 Pro, but with upgraded gimbal protection, redesigned prop arms, and tighter hinges for longevity. Leaks also suggest a newly redesigned controller, possibly a more ergonomic RC with improved joysticks, haptic feedback, and built-in antenna optimization for smoother live feeds. Smart features. Automation meets creativity. Automation isn't new to DJI, but the next frontier lies in intelligent creativity. The Mini 5 Pro could usher in a generation of AI-assisted flight planning. where users can simply select a subject and let the drone craft a cinematic sequence on its own. Some rumored features include auto editing with scene recognition, one-tap, storyboarding modes, enhanced master shots and quick shots with AI framing subject, auto reframing for social media platforms, direct cloud uploads, and instant edits for content creators juggling multiple platforms. This streamlining could remove hours from their production timeline. Imagine capturing, editing, and sharing a 4K reel from the controller within minutes. Remote control evolution. There are whispers that DJI may bundle the Mini 5 Pro with an upgraded RC2-style controller, or even introduce a newer generation smart controller featuring brighter 1000 nit display for outdoor viewing, expandable internal storage, faster boot times and touch response, improved wireless connectivity, and reduced latency. This controller could become the new standard for DJI's Mini and Air lineup, offering a more immersive and professional user experience right out of the box. Expected release window and pricing. DJI tends to follow a predictable rhythm with its releases. If the Mini 5 Pro follows suit, we're likely looking at a late 2025 or early 2026 debut. As for pricing, the projected base price may land in the $899 to $999 USD range, possibly higher if bundled with the premium smart controller and extended battery kits. That might raise eyebrows among casual users, but serious creators will appreciate the feature-to-price ratio, especially when comparing it to more expensive drones with similar capabilities. Who is the Mini 5 Pro for? This drone isn't just for drone nerds or YouTubers. Its design makes it ideal for frequent travelers needing a powerful yet portable aerial camera, real estate agents capturing cinematic listings, outdoor adventurers documenting extreme terrain, professional creators seeking a reliable backup, or BRO machine students learning videography with pro-level tools with the expected updates. It offers a serious bang for the buck without the size or regulatory headaches of bulkier UAV